Hey everyone. So on this video I'm going to get you caught up on the races that I failed to post within the past month and a half, 2 months. First one's going to be the Footbrake race at Baileyton. Only got 2 passes there. That was a tough day. I had to work that day. Came home just in time, loaded up, got caught in traffic on the way up there, and I pretty much rolled in the gates right when they called Footbrake for first time runs. So I didn't even think about getting the camera in the car until later on in the night. Made it to the third round and broke out by I think 8 thou, if I remember right. Had plenty of room to make something happen. Guy behind me felt like he wasn't going to get there, so he got on the brakes. I got on the brakes, just not soon enough. So then the next one is I-22. I went there a month ago for my first ever pro box bracket race. Double entered for that. That was a little bit hectic. A lot of work. Not sure if I'll do that again. But it was just up and down. I had some good lights, and then I had some red lights, and then what ended up taking me out third round was a red light on the first entry. The second entry, I was going up against a dragster. I went to go stage. I got on the trans brake, and car rolled back, and it rolled me out of the beams, red lit me. So that was the end of my night. But I got a few runs out of that. So I'll be showing you that, and that should get you caught up on everything that I've recorded. It's a little bit out of order, but I'm just now getting around to it. So hope you enjoy it. So first round, we were basically giving it. Other guy went red. I was decent on the tree. Ran one under. Second round, I went red, way red, and it went way faster than I thought. So I really don't know what the hell is going on or what to do. So I'm just gonna go up here and hope for the best.